and welcome. So today's video is very helpful for you if you're joining and watch the end. So what exactly the problem occurs when your charger have not sufficient voltage or not able to charge your laptop? So if you look at this charger or as adapter, these are level plan charger and a voltage up to this charger is 20 volt and 2.24 ampere. So what happened to this one? But first of all, let me introduce some basic problem. The first problem is when your charger have not charging, and the second problem is with this one type of plug. So this charging plug have basically and commonly problem, but we don't notice and mind to purchase a new charging from electronic shop. So this may be heavy budget. So if you have not the extra budget to spend a new one, so let me introduce and to share some tips and tricks. So first tip and tricks to without any program, without any extra hardware, you can check the voltage of this charger. So this 40 volt charger is a basic Lenovo laptop charger, and you will see how my laptop also is here. So this program is a cover morning and I have not able to charging my laptop. So that's why I have some type of program, some type of other type of program with this charger. So this is a basic charger, not a high water charger, and so let me share more tips. So first is to check a voltage from the output plug. This is type of output plug, and if you have a technical background, so I suggest and I have because if you have certain technical knowledge and you can easily check this type of charger. This is not a motherboard fault. This is not a motherboard fault. So this is a basic fault. So okay. So I just introduce to how to repair. Okay. This is not rocket science. This is a basic charger. So this will is the main tool. Because when you try to this issue, if you notice to this type of hole, and this hole, okay, let me see into the loop. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, okay, this is the main problem because the inner side of this charging plug have a copper type of pins which hold the charging pin of this laptop. So this will be happen when your charging plug having a carbon to rusting material to on the layer of this charger. So not a positive supply is able to reach the charging port. So this is the main problem. So for solution, you can change this type of port, and you can easily cut this wire and purchase this type of plug. Is easily available in the market, and when you are purchasing from market, simply connect with this wire to positive and to earth or ground wire. So this is the first solution. So main problem is occur when I check this type of. So thank God I just escaped from to purchasing new charger because the new charger have much budget for this one. So that's why I choose this type charger to repairing this one. Okay, let me introduce a second problem. A second problem is occur this type. this type. When you are plugging in the charger in the motherboard and the charging, and a certain amount of current not passing or blockage of supply. This supply is basic main reason to this type. It's a breakage of internal wire. So this is only happen when you have a low quality of charge. But this charger have a original band, so I just add some WD-40 or other type of rustable material. So now my charger working a new life. So this is the basic technique to find the main problem of your charging having not charging to able to the laptop. It's not a laptop charger. Any type of charging having this type of port. The first step to check the power supply output and the plug type and plug situation. So I hope you will like this video and you will like the solution. And if you have any questions, please put the comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and the next video let me make a new solution and new problem fix. So take a thumbs up and don't forget to like and press like button. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.